Welcome to iLecture Online. Looking forward to the future, perhaps one day, you may want to take some calculus, and then you end up with equations that look like this, and you're supposed to solve for this, which is called y prime. So notice y with a little apostrophe like that is called y prime. Or another way of looking at it, it's called the derivative of y. And of course, that's not part of this course, but at least we need to be able to manipulate the algebra when we take calculus. Matter of fact, quite often, for students who take calculus, it's the algebra portion that you have to manipulate the equations with that is the most challenging part of doing calculus. And you'll find out one day if you end up taking that. But at this point, exactly that's what we're supposed to do. We end up with something like this, and we're supposed to solve for y prime. So right away, I see a fraction on the left. And of course, I can assume that this is 2x over 1 on the right. And then if I circle what I'm trying to solve for, I need to get rid of this y square. And I can do that by moving it to the right side, by moving it across the diagonal. So this can become y minus x y prime is equal to 2x times y squared. Of course, we don't have to write over 1. And notice that's accomplished by simply moving the y squared over to the right side across the diagonal like that. Then the next thing we need to do is get rid of this term right here. So we're going to move this term to the right side. When I cross the equal sign, it becomes negative. So minus x y prime is equal to 2x y squared minus y. And then I want to get rid of the minus x. So I can move that across the diagonal to over here. Again, I can think of this as being over 1. So when I move the minus x over to this side, I get y prime is equal to 2xy squared minus y divided by minus x. And of course, since we don't like the minus x in the denominator, we can multiply both the top and the bottom by -1, or write y prime is equal to, by moving this around, I get y minus 2xy squared. That is the same effect as multiplying the numerator times the -1 divided by a positive x by multiplying the denominator by -1 as well. And that is how we solve for y prime. Notice, if this was calculus class and they want us to solve for y prime, we have to know the algebra to do it, and that is how it's done.